Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling fed up with life, frustrated with circumstance, worried about the future, depressed about the past, feeling critical of yourself, insecure about your body, feeling lonely, or perhaps even joyful. Know that it's okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can release some of the pain, some of the anxieties, and come back to trust. Trust in the unfolding of life. Trust in our capacity to overcome obstacles. Trust in other people to come through for us. Trust in our ability to come through for ourselves. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated position, or you can lie down if you like. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your body. You can gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into my voice, into the sounds of the handpan. Putting distractions to the side. Letting go of past, letting go of future. Coming into this present moment, recognizing how you feel. Becoming aware of the tensions inside. Becoming aware of any unpleasantness inside. And instead of pushing it away, welcoming it like an old friend. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in slowly and softly. And exhale, letting go of stress. Whatever you're stressing about, simply let it go, coming back into your body, coming back into the present moment where everything is actually okay. Letting go of worries as you take a deep breath in. Aware that you're alive. You live to see another exhale, letting go of fear. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. Breathing in, feeling your belly, chest rise. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards, dropping the shoulders. Opening your chest, relaxing the face, relaxing your jaw, the lips, and the forehead, looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming thoughts, emotion, sensation, very gently, very lovingly. Breathing in as slow and as soft as you can. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, very slow, very soft. Letting go of tensions in the body by simply being aware, relaxing the hands, relaxing your feet, relaxing your mind. In fact, if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, let go. Returning home to yourself, to your heart, to your spirit, to your awareness. Returning back into love, back into trust with the sound of the bell. Coming back into your body, aware of your posture. Letting go of any negativity that's still inside. Coming back into the beauty just underneath all of the worries, desires, fears. Remembering that you already have what you're seeking inside. With closed eyes, looking in. Thoughts, taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, to overcome, to come back to trust. Despite all of the unpleasant circumstances, remembering that there's also many blessings that is already here. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale out. Color for today is red. The number is 99. And the animal is a rooster. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of what you're gonna do next. Keeping awareness throughout your day the best that you can. Remembering that when we're aware, that we don't fall into suffering as easy as when we're unaware. Becoming aware of your breath as you take one more deep breath in for now. Hold. And exhale out. Feeling your heart open, belly relaxed, face relaxed, hands and feet relaxed. Thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. My dear friend, I so appreciate you. Appreciate your presence. Remember that your presence is a gift, is a present. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.